Hello and welcome to another video. I want to show you a property now. It's 18 hectares big and it has two houses. I will record now the property. It has also fruit trees and it has a lot of things I will show you in the video. Just stay tuned until the end. So if you look for a property in Paraguay, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. And you can see properties that I find, and I will upload from time to time when I find something interesting to this channel. So thanks for subscribing to this channel. Let's see how is this property.
Awesome.
Here you see some fruits. So I have those trees too at home. I love those. So it's called Vaporu here in Paraguay and Jabuticaba in Spain. So here it's a grapefruit tree. There are more, and this is guavan, I think it's called or so. Here is a mango tree. There are more. Here is another mango tree and different types of fruits. It looks like mandarins here, and here is another one like this. I made the first one. So here's the house. So the house is, as you can see, not so nice from outside. It needs some repairs, some reformations. So I was once inside, but now the owner is not here. So it needs enough reformations, and I will show you now from outside. I have a video in German where I recorded it inside. So here are other fruit trees behind, and here it belongs also where the cows are here. And there is a mango forest. There are like 10 or more big mango trees. I will go inside to see it. And here it's divided just for the cows. There are some fruits here down there. And here is another small house for the person that stays here, but now it's nobody to take care of the property. Here you can see other fruits on the ground from these fruit trees. There are enough fruit trees here. All of them are fruit trees, or almost all. And I will go no farther away because it has a lot of land, and I will record the land there too. Here you can see, here is a little bit before we go to this road and a little bit around it. Here is another part of the land, of the property. I'll go to the mango forest where you have a lot of mangoes on a 1 hectare place approximately, or more than 1 hectare, and I'll show you whatever I can. So I will try to make it with a drone. Let's see if I can do it, because it's my first video with a drone, and I will show it from above. So here are a lot of mango trees, those so big like on our property, and it's also farther from the road. It's long time nothing done here, but it's a lot of shadow, and you can choose a place where to build a house, a new house, because the old house I showed you at the beginning, it's not so nice. So here, for example, you have shadow and good place for building a house. and it's quiet here. It's you do not hear the cars from the roads, and I will also try to get it from above with a drone. So this one is more than 1 hectare. Just this one, 1.5 or so, and it's nice because you have shadow. For the summer you will need shadow. Yeah, I see other fruits in the tree, and I will try one. I just love the fruits. So I will try it. So I will go further away to the creek. Maybe I will not reach the creek, but I will try to do it with a drone. So I will show you where it is, and then I will go with the drone to see the creek from above. So 18 hectares, it's 180,000 square meters, and it's a big land. I will start the drone and let's see how it looks from above. So I recorded some parts of the property with a drone. Let's see how it looks, because it was my first time. So I will show you a little bit more with the camera, and then I will finish the video. So if you have questions about the property, let me know. You can write in the comments. You can also write per WhatsApp. It's the fastest way I answer. Telegram the second one, Signal the third one, and email if you have a week to answer, I mean to get the answer. I am a little bit behind with answering emails, and I told about this in other videos. So I will show you a little bit in the middle of the property now, and I will finish the video soon. So here is in the middle, there are some fruit trees also, what you see, the palm trees, and so I'll go a little bit around. And I showed you also the mango trees. It's like a forest with mango trees. And there is a small creek. I wasn't there. I do not know if the drone could see it. I'll see it when I am home. But you see how it looks around it. And if you have questions, let me know. Thanks for watching the videos, for subscribing to my channel. I wish anyone a better life.